Welcome, MBO over here. We gotta do a video about it's not my top 5 altcoins, it's my top 5 low cap altcoins. So I'm gonna do a series of low cap altcoins because of the success we made on my top 5 altcoins, the low market cap altcoins, just like Cody, just like Jasmine, just like we did on, there was another one, I forgot about it already. But you know, you have to understand like this, you have to see it like this. In trading altcoins, I'm always looking for that wrecked altcoin. So the altcoin that's very wrecked, and especially when the market cap is very low. So market caps max of 200, 300 market cap coins. So those coins are the best to get the highest rewards. It's just how it is. Just like we bought Cody when it was at 76 million and it's now in about 350. So you can make a 4x, 5x, 6x. You can make those the best on market caps that are below the 200, 100 market cap. So we're going through them one by one, and I will also be checking them one by one. And well, yeah, first of all, if you like these vids, if you like these updates, please push on the like right now. Leave a comment, please. If you know a solid good altcoin below the 100 million market cap, share it in the comment, please. Maybe I will do that one next time. So let's first of all start with Arpa. 88 million market cap, 48 million volume. It's a lot, guys. So these coins that I'm showing you guys today are all pretty high volumes also. So I don't choose the coins that have like 80 or 90 million market cap and have like a volume of 1 million or maybe 500k, because those are pretty dead in my opinion. So I'm only showing you guys the ones that have a low market cap and high volume. Means that money is flowing into those coins. And you know, I'm a pretty defensive person if it goes into trading or buying, because I like to buy blood. But there are also a lot of people that don't care about that and like the DCA buy in on FOMO or when the thing, because these coins out of nothing you can see them ramp up and make a 2x 3x. So I've always been very defensive to my viewers, but I've got also a lot of Degen viewers and followers that are keep telling me, MB, please share, just share it. We are mature enough and we know our own risk management, and your insights and your alpha that you share, you can see things much better than we do, and we understand that you always want to buy blood, but just share it and we will make our own choice if we want to go and ramp it up and just FOMO in, and don't miss out on those 2, 3x, 500%, 300% moves. So that's why I decided to I make these vids. I show you guys where the money is flowing into on the low market caps, what the best opportunities are, and that's it. And about the week's private group and the Maxi private group, the week's exclusive Degen. So also for the Degens, very risky trade setups. I already started yesterday with it. We made like in 10 minutes or 15 minutes, we made like 80-90% on a trade. So all the Degen trades will be shared over there in the exclusive weeks. So if you want to join the private group, the week's link is below, and you can still get the 300 refund. So you're gonna get a lot of bonuses. Those will not be available on any other exchange. So if you want to join the group, let me know below. To the ones that have DM'd me on X to get access, the team will check today or tomorrow, I don't know when, and the invite links will all be shared in your DMs on X. So people that are waiting for that, it's coming. Yesterday I've responded to all of you, so it's coming. You'll all be added when the team has checked that you're trading on weeks. Okay, so Arpa, it left over here. It's it's really, for now, it's like Bitcoin is pushing all these coins up, so they are not at buy ranges in my opinion. We broke the indicator over here, we lost it over here, then we broke up. So these low cap altcoins are very volatile. The indicator also will not help a lot over here because these coins are just too low in market cap. For me, a buy zone on Arpa would be over here. So that's me. If I would be interested, I would be interested over here. So like you've got this box over here, then I want to see something like this and it coming back to this trend line over here. So Arpa, and guys, you have to understand, these coins can go very, very hard up, but they can also drop very fast. So if Arpa would be over here somewhere, I would be much more confident to buy Arpa. So it's risky, and the RSIs are also, because I've put on the RSIs today on a weekly, so this is on the daily, but if you would go to the weekly, you can see it better over here. The RSIs are pretty high, there are pretty high ranges. So I would like to see this thing coming back to the middle line or come even lower. So if that happens, together with this over here, this is for me a range that I will be interested in scooping up some Arpa over here. So at these levels, let me put it on like this so you guys can see it. So it's the 43 cents until the 36 cents. So this Arpa, by the way guys, and everyone over here needs to do research on Arpa, the fundamentals or the tokenomics or whatever, because that's not what I did. I'm purely sharing these altcoins based on pure TA. So there is nothing going on here on fundamentals. So everyone must do his own research on the fundamentals. And as you can see, we already jumped up over here for like, what is this? This coin already did like a 200%. So we already did a 2x from the low in December 22. So if this thing comes back to this box, so 43 to 37 cents, this might be a nice scoop up for Arpa. Let me show you guys the BTC pair. As you guys can see, this is looking much better than the USDT pair. That's what I like also. That's why I'm also sharing you guys these charts. And at this point, if Bitcoin will drop, make a correction, I think that Arpa will drop very fast. And if it comes back into this box, together with the BTC pair coming back a bit over here at this regions over here, because there is a lot of upside potential going on over here for Arpa. If we will hit this line over here, let me put on an alarm while we're headed. Let me put an alarm on the RSI, because this would be, let me put on an alarm over here live, as you guys can see. So if you can get back to this box also, this would be very bullish, because that would mean, in combination with this one coming back to this box, or maybe even lower to the 25 cent regions, this would be it. This would be, by the way, a very, very good box to get into. So this could be a scoop. And let me put on my alarm also over here. Let me put an alarm over here. So Arpa, guys, Arpa, maybe this will be the next 400 million, 500 million. Then you can make a pretty nice gain. So that's about Arpa. Next one, MTL. I've been checking this coin, and it looks pretty the same, just like Arpa does. They all look the same. As you can see, the RSIs are looking a bit the same. This one made a bit more of a drop on the weekly, but as you guys can see, you can just put on a trend line and it's just going up. And why are we seeing the same patterns? It's because Bitcoin has been going up like this, but Bitcoin went up much stronger. This is, by the way, a 113 million market cap with a 53 million volume. It's a lot, by the way, guys. So the same for MTL. MTL, I am looking to come back to the box, and the box is over here, so on the trend line. And if it would come even lower to this box, it would be really a no-brainer for me. MTL is something about payments. Do your research on the fundamentals. I'm just showing the chart. So MTL, this thing made a rise up, come back, make that double bottom over here, and off she went. But if it is a very bullish coin, then this box might be the scoop. So I'm prepared either for 1.3 or I'm prepared for 80. If I would go in for the 1.2 to 1.3, it will be a trade, and over here this would be a swing trade and a long-term hodl or a mid-term hodl. So that's about MTL Bitcoin, guys. I'm telling you, these coins, if this thing comes back to here, it's super bullish, guys. You have to check this, guys. We are not those sick FOMO guys of CT. We are sharing alpha over here. We're sharing TA. We're looking just like smart money looks, just like smart money is thinking. And that's what we're doing here. Look at the RSI and BTC. It's almost getting into very risky ranges over here. As you can see, look at it. Look where we are, the RSI. So I put an alarm over here. Let's put in an alarm over here. If we will get into this box, this will be very bullish for MTL. So MTL is looking really good over here. If this thing gets into this box, let me get back to the USDT pair. Yes, together with this box, or even if we get lucky, maybe even this box. So MTL is looking really good, and this is also a very low market cap coin, guys, and these are the ones that can skyrocket the best. Let me go to the next. I think most of you guys know this coin, SDG. So SDG is getting shielded by a lot of famous influencers. That's also the reason that you're seeing this price action, I think, because it's just based on shilling. A lot of coins get shilled, and when they get shilled, retailers get in, and when retailers get in, price goes up. It's just how it is. But it's a 138 market cap with an 86 million volume. So guys, this is looking trading wise very good. So for me at this moment, let me go to the BTC. Guys, look at this. This is making me yes, because you know, there's only one crazy will needs to flip his super expensive Bitcoin to Stargate, and it will boom ramp up. So guys, I'm telling you, guys, it's just like all the other coins that I've been sharing past, Flux, the Codys, the etc. These coins, I'm showing you direct coins. And I know when I share those coins on Twitter, a lot of people will say, oh, well, that project is dead. Well, that one is dead. Guy, bro, if a project is dead, I will not share it. And you know why I wouldn't share it? Because I only share the ones where I'm seeing the money is flowing in those projects. So if I see a project with 80 million and has got a volume of 500k or 200k, I will not share it. I will not share it. So guys, this is Stargate. Look at it. It's really bottoming out also on the other side. So let me put on my alarm again over here. And let me go to Stargate. I think that Stargate is just a matter of we went up the indicator. So the indicator over here is also the support level. So what is this? The 57 cents until the 55 cents. And if we will get some big drop on Bitcoin or some big spike down, well guys, this is the box. This is where you need to buy anything 40 cents to 30 cents. It's just a buy. This is just a buy. And you know, because of the shills of the famous influencers out there, it's a no-brainer. So this thing, when it comes back, those FOMO influencers will buy in early so they can sell it later. And well, when they have already bought in, they will shill it when it goes up, and then, well, ta-da. Just like on Cody, when I shared it at those buy levels, I told you buy it now so the influencers can shill them later, and when they shill them later and the price goes rockets up, that's when we'll be selling our Cody to the ones that are buying following Schillers. It's just how it is. So either follow Schiller or follow me. Follow me, that is early in the business. I'm showing you before it happens, or you can follow anyone, whatever. So for now, Stargate DCA 57. If it goes down, no brainer, just buy. So I'm gonna put in my alarms live with you guys, because this is one of the coins I will definitely be buying. Stargate, by the way, guys. This is a coin I'm interested in, and especially with this. Look at the RSI. Look what it's a no-brainer. Okay, the next one. Bake, cake, make, take, all these. But they pump very hard. They pump hard. Look at this pump. This happened, when was this? In December. These coins, when they pump hard. It's really incredible. But look also how wrecked these coins are, guys. This is no joke. Look at this. This thing was 8.5. How much is it now? It's 40 cents. So cake. Also the RSI is at pretty high levels. For me, cake is very simple. I'm not going to ape in or whatever. I'm just showing you guys the charts. 121 market cap, 92 million. 121 market cap, 92 volume. So this is also one to keep an eye on. And if this thing, because we went up from the indicator, we never touched it. So I'm gonna put an alarm on my indicator. By the way, guys, if you don't have the indicator, this thing is the best indicator in the industry. That's number one. Number two is, if you want to get this indicator, use the weeks link below. Send me your UID and you'll get this indicator for free. This is a free indicator. So if you want to get this indicator, the links are below. Use the weeks link, start trading on weeks, send me your UID number. You'll get into the private TG group, and that's where you'll get your indicator for free. The private group is also for free, by the way, guys. The only thing that you have to do is trade on Maxi or weeks. So the indicator, and buy, guys, if this thing, guys, again, these things, they pump hard, they dump hard. And we have to not forget that Bitcoin is at 62, 3, 4, whatever it is. So Bitcoin is at pretty high level. So if Bitcoin will dump by any means, because those crazy freaks there at BlackRock, Fidelity, whatever it is, they're competing with each other and they're buying a lot of Bitcoin. So we're just not getting those pullbacks. I don't know how to explain it myself, but we're just not getting them. So if we by any means get a drop, put on your alarm and buy some Bake, because this thing also looks very hungry to skyrocket up. Let me show you guys Bake. Also, guys, Bake, this RSI might go a bit lower in my opinion, but Bake also against Bitcoin, it's losing a lot of momentum, and I will put on my alarm over here, because if we can get something like this top, W, and then off we go. So this is also a coin to really keep an eye on. Bake. Okay, let me go to another one. This is one, the last one. This one I'm very bullish on, guys. This one I'm very bullish on. Yesterday I shared it in my vid. If you didn't watch my vid, it will pop up. Watch the vid of yesterday, because I've talked a lot about Bitcoin and etc. But yesterday I made a vid about storage, and I after the vid I shared my buy levels, and I made some buy orders, and it was yesterday in the evening, I think, and I was opening my spot bags, and I saw a 20% gain. I thought, did I get hit? When I checked, it was storage. Storage has gotten storage was on this wick over here, because yesterday I told you the support level could be this at the 57 cents, 50 to 60 cents, and I got hit, and the bounce came very fast. It was a 20% bounce. So I took some nice profits over there. But let me go back to the G.T.C. Look at this, guys. We're back in the box. We're back in the box. So it's, you know, this is when I get filled. So if we will get back in this box, look at the RSI against Bitcoin also. Listen guys, this is a coin. This is a very, very strong coin. This is a very strong coin. This is storage. It's a storage coin, just like Arweave. Arweave is pumping like crazy, and I think that it's just a matter of time, and storage will gain momentum and rocket up. And why do I love storage, by the way, guys? 109 market cap with a 128 million volume. Guys, this thing, by the way, I'm telling you that I'm waiting for them to come back, but with these volumes, maybe this thing will just skyrocket up from here. It could happen very fast. You have to keep this in mind. These coins can go, if the momentum gets in, especially with these volumes, at any moment this thing could make 50, 60, 70, 80%. If the dominance starts dropping, you will see these coins, you will see like this one, it will just ramp up. So for me, I will put up my alarm if it breaks up, but storage, in my opinion, looks ready to ramp up. If Bitcoin wouldn't be at the levels that it is right now, I would definitely buy some storage right now. I would ape in now, and I would buy it and hodl it and make a 2, 3, 4, 5x minimum out of it. But you know, Bitcoin, I need to see what Bitcoin, does it want to break all-time high? Does it want to, what is Bitcoin planning to do? I'm really waiting for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is very, very volatile at the moment. So it's, for me, it's waiting time. And to be honest, I haven't seen Bitcoin as bullish as I have seen for the past bull cycles. This is the most bullish Bitcoin cycle I've seen so far. This thing just won't come back. It just keeps ramping up. This is madness, guys. Look, we made, this is on the weekly, guys. Boom, come back, boom, come back. Here was the comeback, and then when over here the spot ETF was closing in, and it was almost for sure that it was going to get approved. I knew that some FOMO could do, but this is madness, guys. Look at this. From the 24, boom, to the 43. This was no retracement. This was no retracement. Look at it. Boom. We're just breaking every resistance level available. As you can see, even this line over here has gotten broken. You don't have to, you know, there were some times where you can chart Bitcoin, you make some strong resistance levels, and you can short it or you can long it towards it. It has no use anymore. This thing is just ramping up. It doesn't even care about liquidity levels over here or liquidity levels over here, selling pressure, nothing. This thing is just ramping up like crazy. And it scares me, to be honest. And why does it scare me? Because it's not healthy. Every chart needs to go up, come down a bit. Let people take some profits, others get in, and then we go up. But this thing is just going bananas. And well, guys, the reason why this is, check the RSIs. We are at super overbought levels on Bitcoin. Look what it is. It's at 85, 86. Over here we reached, what was it over here? Over here we reached a 96, so we could go much higher than that, as you can see. But guys, this is really, if this thing breaks all-time high or whatever, at some point we will get a very big candle. So my style and the style that we do in the private is we trade. We make trades, we make money, and we wait. We make money and we wait. We make money and we wait. So that's what we do. Close in those gains every day, again and again and again. And if there will be a candle, let me put it on the daily. If there will be a candle, look at this. Yesterday with the Coinbase blackout, so-called blackout, even though look how we closed this daily candle. This thing is just unstoppable. I look at it at the daily RSI 88. So we're really topping out over here on the daily. So 88, this is really madness. The buying pressure and the FOMO that's going on Bitcoin is really madness. Yes, if we keep rocking like this, a 100k Bitcoin is just a matter of time. It will be very fast, as long as Nasdaq and whatever is holding, this thing is just going up. I was expecting much lower prices, retested. I've been wrong. But why was I wrong? It's because of the spot ETF. The spot ETF changed everything for Bitcoin. And well, I don't have a crystal ball, so I was wrong because I didn't see the spot ETF coming and I didn't see the spot ETF getting approved. So for now, my macro analyze on Bitcoin has changed dramatically, and I will also change my thesis about it. And by the way, guys, that I was wrong about my macro. I wasn't wrong about my trades because, as you guys all know me, I'm a trader. I don't care if Bitcoin is at 20K, 30K, 200K, a million. I don't give a damn. I make my money every day, just like in the private. We make trades every day. We make our money, close our money in, and we go to the next. So it doesn't matter that your macro is wrong, because my macro was wrong, but because I really expected Bitcoin to come much lower if the spot ETF wasn't getting to get approved. But it doesn't mean that I'm sitting and doing nothing and waiting for prices to come down. No, I trade every day, just like I share my X posts every day again and again. And in the private, I even share those trades. Guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice one and bye-bye.